Dear friends and subscribers, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick. I'm new here to create a YouTube video too, but today I like to spend some lovely time together to show you guys around a little bit before going back to Mount Staghorn Fern together today. This is my first video that I have to speak English. It's a big challenge for me to do so. I think it's worth trying to speak a different language. Finally, here I am. We are now looking at a Staghorn Fern that I bought online. It's sent to me in a very good condition, but I love it so much. And it makes me thinking about buying them over and over again. Wow, look at the shape, line and color. I don't want to go anywhere. I want to keep looking at this adorable plant all day long. I really feel it that way. And the scientific name for this one is Platycerium colonarium. I hope I pronounce its name correctly. When it comes to the equipments and the setups are very simple. Here we have scissor, fishing line, wooden board, sphagnum mosses, fertilizer, papers and baskets. First of all, I need to prepare the sphagnum mosses that soak in the water about 5 minutes. Then I need to compress all of them to get rid of some water. I think I need to speed it up a little bit to save our time to the next step. Before placing everything together, I need to check the position of the plant to see if it fits on the board or not. After trying this, I probably put them into 45 degree with the board. And the next thing is, I need to remove the Staghorn Fern from its plastic pot, but it's stuck for me. But I'm trying to remove it as gentle as I can. The reason why I have to remove it gently because I'm afraid of breaking the root system. I don't want to give the plant hard time to adjust into the new environment. I have to change my mind in trimming the root after I see this root system because it looks very strong for me. And I don't even know how to trim them properly in this condition, so I'll leave it like this. I think it's able to grow without trimming anything, so I'll update later. As you can see, everything we're stepping into is getting hotter and hotter, huh? But it's still enjoying, right? Now, I'm trying to establish the base first with the mosses and put some fertilizers inside. There's no wrong or right way to make this thing. Just feel free to give it a try. There's no need to worry, just have fun with it. For me, it's also my first time and I'm still learning too. And next, I'm about to make the cup-like mosses by putting the edges all over. And this step is also important as I have to place the plant inside and slowly add more mosses all around. It's like I'm crafting something with patience and focus. I'm so excited though. I just keep telling myself not to rush it, just to enjoy the moment doing this. The Staghorn Fern is ready for its position. I'm about to check the balance for the mosses and the overall position again before I press and secure everything with the fishing line together. I have to admit that the securing process with the fishing line is quite hard, as I have to secure all the mosses from left to right, again up and down until everything looks good. I think it's okay now, but I like to secure more with a fishing line to make it strong and tight and beautiful. Let's see for the final results. Yeah, this is it. I made it to mount the Staghorn Fern for the first time. I think it looks pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and feel free to comment and say hi to me. Take care and see you next time. สวัสดีครับ